Hi!
Today we're going to be making molasses-on-snow candy.
In Little House in the Big Woods, Laura and Mary help Mom make some candy for Christmas. Your materials are going to be
Dark molasses, maple sugar. We're using maple sugar to make it more authentic, but if you don't have or want to use it, you can use brown sugar. 9-inch pie pans, a heavy pot with a candy thermometer.
You're also going to need a heat-proof jug with a handle and snow. But we don't have snow because we live in Mississippi and it's summer. But we do have a snow cone maker and a bag of ice. So we're gonna make our own snow. We need to fill 4 pie tins full of snow.
Now we're gonna put it in the freezer until we need it.
It's important that your pot is not too small because the sugar and molasses is going to like foam and boil, and
It might come over if you have a tiny pot.
and it'll burn you and it really hurts.
Yeah, 'cause it's sugar. Sugar hurts.
Now we're gonna add a cup of molasses, or 8 ounces.
Now we're gonna add the half cup of maple sugar to your molasses. We're gonna add 1 pinch of salt. It's completely optional, but we're just adding it for more flavor. This up under medium heat until it reaches 245 degrees.
When we get to 245 degrees, we're going to take it off and we're going to put it into our heat-proof jars. It looks...
It's extremely hot, so you need to be very careful. Adult supervision is not a bad idea here.
No, it's a really, really good idea. Yay, our snow is ready to get out. Now we're gonna pour our hot sugar onto our snow. And when you're done pouring them, they almost harden like immediately, so you can eat them. Yay.
You're eating the snow.
I know. This smells really good. It's really good.
Yeah, but it's super sticky.
Yeah, it's like hard, and then you put it in your mouth and it starts to like melt a little bit.
I'm gonna pull out the tube.
Is it like caramely?
Yeah.
Like a gingerbread caramel?
If you do this, don't make giant pieces. They're impossible to eat.
You have to make thinner pieces.
Like that one. That's it. It's our molasses and snow candy. And the ice is super good too.